In today's video, we will learn about electrician power tools that professionals use on job sites for faster, safer, and more efficient electrical installation work. Let's get started. Tool 1. Cordless drill machine. This is a cordless drill machine. It is used to drill holes in walls, wood, and metal surfaces for installing electrical fixtures and running cables. This tool is one of the most commonly used power tools by electricians. Tool 2. Impact driver. This is an impact driver. It helps electricians tighten screws quickly and with high torque, especially during panel installation work. Tool 3. Rotary hammer drill. This is a rotary hammer drill. It is used to drill holes in concrete and brick walls for conduit installation. This tool is very useful on construction job sites. Tool 4. Angle grinder. This is an angle grinder. It is used to cut metal conduit pipes and electrical mounting supports. Electricians also use it to smooth rough metal edges. Tool 5. Heat gun. This is a heat gun. It is used to heat shrink tubing over wire joints for insulation and protection. Tool 6. Reciprocating saw. This is a reciprocating saw. It helps electricians cut conduit pipes, cable trays, and mounting materials quickly. Tool 7. Cable pulling machine. This is a cable pulling machine. It is used to pull heavy electrical cables through long conduit runs safely and efficiently. This tool is common in large installation projects. Tool 8. Oscillating multi-tool. This is an oscillating multi-tool. It is used for precision cutting in drywall, wood panels, and tight installation areas. Tool 9. Hole saw cutter. This is a hole saw cutter. It is used to make clean, round holes in panels and walls for electrical boxes and conduit fittings. Tool 10. Portable work light. This is a portable work light. It provides bright lighting in dark job site areas, helping electricians work safely. Tool 11. Electric screwdriver. This is an electric screwdriver. It helps electricians install switches, outlets, and panel screws quickly and easily. Tool 12. Laser distance meter. This is a laser distance meter. It is used to measure installation distances accurately and quickly during electrical layout work. Closing scene. These are some important electrician power tools used on professional job sites. Learning how to use these tools will help you work faster, safer, and more efficiently as an electrician. Thanks for watching Amazing Part. Please like, share, and subscribe for more electrical training videos and engineering knowledge. See you in the next video.